Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create the report in SmartSheet. First thing, go to SmartSheet's official site and then sign up to one of the trial. You will have dashboard that looks like this. Now here you can see the remaining days, also option to upgrade, which I don't plan on, considering within the trial you learn enough to make a decision whether it's for you or not. So clicking on create new, you will have this menu where you can choose report, right? So I'll be clicking on this report option. Click on that. Here you can see new blank report, within which we have like two options. For now I will show you the row report. You can select this, and let's say I want to create cash flow report. So I will type that, select row report, click OK, and it will open in new tab. As you can see, it should look something like this interface once loaded. Now here it will ask you to choose from the existing sheets. So I have like one cash flow statement. I will select that, then click next. Now it will ask you to choose a period, right? So I'll be choosing the period here. Let's say 7/10 and 12/10, right? We don't need sheet name here. If you want, you can remove that, right? Now you can additionally add another column if you want, right? So it all depends on what you want to show. Then click next. Then the filter, select the field. Let's say within one of the sheet, which is from 7, I want to access contains, and then enter the value. So let's say I want to take, let's say 150 as the value, and here the condition we have, apply that, and it will load up. There is no such value existing there, so I can always, is not blank within this particular column, so I will go with that. We'll try and load everything. So if it's 0, then it will only show up for other fields, right? Other than that, it satisfies the condition, right? So this was something I made out of existing cash flow statement sheet, right? So when you are choosing a report option, you are connecting to that particular sheet, take data from that, and then output the content within the new report. So you get the idea how to basically create a report within the SmartSheet.